In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep offline. With the increasing reliance on digital tools in our daily lives, it's essential to know how to access and manage our digital notes, even when we're not connected to the internet. Google Keep is a versatile tool for taking notes, creating lists, and even saving voice memos. Let's explore how to make sure your notes remain accessible offline. To begin, open your Google browser and head over to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see a grid icon, which represents Google Apps. Click on this icon and a menu will pop up showing you a variety of Google applications. From here, select Google Keep. This is your gateway to creating and managing your notes seamlessly. Once you've opened Google Keep, you can start taking notes right away. Whether it's a quick to-do list, a random thought, or something more substantial, Google Keep has you covered. Remember, initially, you'll need an internet connection to sync your notes with your Google account. This synchronization step ensures that all your notes are backed up in the cloud, making them accessible from any device where you log into your Google account. After synchronizing for the first time, you need to give it a few minutes to save your notes locally. This local saving process is crucial because it allows you to access and edit your notes even when you're offline. Once your notes are saved on your device, you can proceed to use Google Keep without an internet connection. This flexibility is particularly useful when you're traveling or find yourself in areas with limited connectivity. While offline, not only can you access and edit existing notes, but you can also create new ones. Jot down ideas, make lists, or even sketch out diagrams if that's what you need. The changes you make won't get lost. Rest assured that as soon as you reconnect to the internet, all your offline changes and new notes will automatically sync back to your Google Keep account. This seamless synchronization ensures that your information remains up to date across all your devices, providing peace of mind and continuity. In summary, using Google Keep offline is straightforward and highly beneficial for ensuring constant access to your notes. By simply opening Google Keep in your browser, synchronizing initially, and allowing your notes to save locally, you set yourself up for success in managing your digital tasks and memories, even in offline scenarios. So go ahead and make the most of Google Keep's offline capability to enhance your productivity and keep your notes within reach at all times. Thank you for joining me today, and happy note taking.